It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You underestimate my power!
Don't try it! High ground! You were supposed to destroy the Sith, not join them! High ground!
I hate you!
You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you! High ground! Ah! Whoops, I'm gonna grab that there. High ground.
Wait, are you f***ing robbing me?
I'll give it to your son someday if Padme isn't, dead. I mean, she looked pretty dead to me from up here on the high ground.
Wait. I'm literally just cooking to death. Please, just kill me.
That's not the high ground way. I mean, the Jedi way. You know what I'm saying. I'm saying I've beaten you and I'm on the high ground, so. High ground.